And that's the problem, folks. A lot of people just can't see the forest for the trees with what's going on. Now, we are in the middle of the hugest crime that has ever been perpetrated against humanity, and all of our governments are involved in it, folks. They've all sold us out. I mean, all you've got to do is look at the World Economic Forum. Look at some of the reports they've put out, and if you don't think this is what it's really about, well, I don't know, folks. I mean, all you've got to do is look at the reports that they put out. I mean, the recent one they put out the other day shows very clearly that this has nothing whatsoever to do with a virus.
COVID-19 is one of the biggest crises of our time. It has impacted every single one of us, shaken our social systems, and disrupted every sector of our economies. The automation of work, combined with a global recession, led workers to lose their jobs at an accelerated pace compared to previous years. And this trend is expected to continue. The ongoing shift in the division of labor between humans, machines, and algorithms might displace 85 million jobs worldwide in the next 5 years, while 97 million new roles, ones that are more adapted to this new task distribution, may emerge. By 2025, companies expect to displace roughly 6% of their total workforce. 1 in 2 workers will need reskilling, and those remaining in their current roles will need to update 40% of their skill set to adapt to the changing labor market. There is a way to collectively benefit from these challenging times. Decades of research have shown that the most valuable asset of any economy or company is its human capital. Around the globe, companies are already experiencing a shortage in relevant skills for future roles and are investing in reskilling and upskilling their workforce. By 2025, organizations say they will train over 70% of their employees to ensure they can smoothly transition into the jobs of tomorrow. These include DevOps engineers, artificial intelligence specialists, digital marketing managers, talent acquisition specialists, and customer success specialists. It will take on average between 2 weeks and 5 months for workers to pick up new skills, allowing them to move into these new roles. But data shows they won't need to have the perfect skill set to start transitioning. While 2/3 of employers expect to get a return on investment in employees' reskilling programs within just 1 year, governments will also need to step in to update and fund education and training systems, and to ensure displaced workers have adequate safety nets. With purposeful leadership and collaboration, we can turn this global crisis into a unique opportunity to transition into a future of jobs that is inclusive, fair, and sustainable.
I mean, it starts off talking about the virus, but then it all goes into the Great Reset and the new transformation of society that they want to carry out. This is a huge crime, folks. It's a huge crime, and it's time people started treating it as such.